2021. It's finally over, and for many, it's probably a relief. Like many of you, several things have been weighing on me as a fresh graduate from university, a father and husband, and just a person in general, still in the stage of trying to figure out where I'm going in life, while working to secure the things that are important to me. But thankfully, I was fortunate enough to spend a good chunk of my time reconnecting to the natural world, spending time with family, friends, outdoors, diving into nature, appreciating the many ecosystems and creatures that the world around me has to offer. Starting in February of 2022, I will be working as an AmeriCorps member at the state park near where I live, and this officially taking my first step in having a career in the field of conservation and ecology. My hope with this channel is that I can show you all the wonder to be seen if one just takes the time to go out and see it. I'd also love to keep track of my progress as an AmeriCorps member and show what it's like to start from the bottom in this field. And hopefully, I will grow along with this channel to inform and captivate you. And yes, this is a nature-based channel. And as we know, nature can be cruel. So one of my other goals is to keep this pretty raw and display both the good and the bad. But overall, I hope for this to be an adventure for us all to remember. My name is Jake, and it is my pleasure to help you become immersed in the natural world as we dive in nature.